All right, guys, what's up? So in today's video, I want to talk to you about 3 ways that you can start booking more appointments for your agency starting today. Let's roll the intro, y'all.
People in the city see the movement occurring and say, my God, I want to be in that scene. Damn right you want to be in this scene. She had the video trying to be in this scene. Used to fantasize about being this scene. Bluegrass girl, but she got big dreams. Can't touch me, I got instincts. Locked in the house, but I'm plotting things. I brought a gang to the party with me. 5 white.
All right, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel here on YouTube. You might be watching this on Facebook as well. Wherever you're watching this, thank you for tuning in. If you're watching this on the YouTube channel, before we get into the meat and potatoes of today's video, make sure you do 2 things really quickly. Like this video, and secondly, subscribe to the channel. And there's actually a third thing. Make sure to hit the button that turns on post notifications so that you don't miss out on new content and trainings just like this one. Now, with that out of the way, guys, let's get into the video. So, one of the biggest problems for most agencies and freelancers who are selling Facebook ads, Google ads, SEO, PPC, you name it, all the services under the sun. One of the biggest issues, guys, is having people on your calendar consistently, day in, day out, week in, week out, who are looking to purchase your agency or freelancing services. It's by far one of the biggest problems. The second byproduct of that, guys, is obviously when you don't have enough meetings, you don't have enough cash flow coming in, you don't have enough sales opportunities, blah, blah, blah. You can't pay better people on your team. It's just a big bottleneck. And by the way, guys, if you don't know who I am, if you're new to the channel here, my name is Sebastian Robeck. I have been in the online space for almost 4 years now. You can look back at my YouTube channel. I've been putting videos out since like December of 2017. And guys, I run the #1 coaching and mentorship program on the market for agencies and freelancers called Agency Hypergrowth. And guys, the truth is you don't have to be slaving away at cold calling and mind-numbing cold outreach all the time to get appointments. And so, again, in this video, 3 ways that you can start landing more appointments for your agency today. So, guys, number 1, this is what's working amazingly well for our agency right now, which is shifting our focus from quantity to quality. So we used to go, oh, we got to get 30, 40 meetings a week and 150 appointments a month, man, and go, top, crazy volume. And we were always going for quantity. And a lot of times we would disregard quality. And we just wanted more calls on the calendar, more calls on the calendar, more calls on the calendar. And here's the thing, guys. That is cool. And you know what? For some, it works. There's nothing wrong with it. But for us in our agency and what we teach our clients is we like to have less stress, less chaos, and more peace in our business. And so we've shifted from trying to talk to as many people as possible to trying to talk to the right kinds of people. So when you make that shift in focus, guys, honestly, your life as an agency owner, in my opinion, becomes a hell of a lot easier, because right now we're not focused on booking 25 meetings a week. We're focused on booking 5 to 8 meetings a week with really good prospects. So for example, guys, we're running ads right now. The primary way that we get clients for our agency is through ads. We don't really do like manual outbound prospecting anymore. Quite frankly, just because we don't have to. So it's mostly ads, inbound, and referrals. And we are getting really qualified calls coming in, long form applications that we pay a little bit more for than your average, like, $15 booked call for your agency or something, when it's just like a name, email, phone number, booking on the calendar. And the cool thing is, guys, all of our sales calls are amazing because the people we're talking to are super qualified. They have budgets. They know that they need help, et cetera, et cetera. So a lot of our sales calls, guys, aren't even really sales calls. They're more just like conversations that naturally end up in them becoming a client anyways. It's really cool. And you end up having better clients because of it as well. And so it's just, in my opinion, guys, it's better all around. So again, number 1 is focus on quality, not quantity. Get the right people on your calendar, not just any people, right? So let's move into number 2, guys. This is probably one of the biggest reasons why our ads work, and also why I've been able to build a pretty sizable and significant audience and brand in the online marketing world and in the coaching space is, guys, I just do not care what people think of me. I don't. And so because of that, for a small period of time, guys, I was trying to like put on a front. I was trying to be professional. I was trying to like do things the right way as an online marketer, online entrepreneur. screw that, guys. Fuck all that. Honestly, like genuinely, I just throw that stuff out the window. And so one of the best things that you can do for yourself, guys, is drop trying to do anything or be anyone in your outreach and in your prospecting. So for example, I don't hide anything in our ads and our marketing material, guys. I'm fully upfront, fully transparent. I am just me. And because I am just me and I'm not trying to be anyone else, I'm also not trying to be authentic, because trying to be authentic is still trying. I just don't try. I just am who I am. And because of that, I attract better clients. I attract clients like that. I like to be around people who don't care what people think. I like to be around people who are just themselves with nothing in the way. They're not trying to be like anyone else. They're just them. And so, side note, guys, law of the universe, law of the mirror. What it is that you put out, you get more of, right? So you attract what you put out into the universe. So I put more into the universe of just being me, like in my messaging, in my ads, when on our sales calls. The types of clients we attract and bring into our agency are those that reflect us, because we put that out to the universe. So again, guys, number 2, the biggest thing is for me has been just not trying. Like, I stopped caring and trying to be professional is one of the worst things you could do, in my opinion, as an agency owner and a freelancer. Just be who you are, and your life as an agency will be more fun. You'll enjoy it more because you'll attract more clients like you. It's just better overall. So again, guys, number 2 is don't try to do or be like anyone else. Just be you. Don't try. Okay. Number 3, how to land more meetings and better quality appointments for your agency. You want to do what I call pull, not push. You want to create what I call a pull effect in your agency. So what that means, guys, is think of it this way. You've got 2 scenarios. Scenario number 1, you're cold calling, say, a mortgage broker, just for example's sake. You cold call a mortgage broker, you're like really, really trying to convince them to get on a call, and they just barely give you the time of day, and they kind of reluctantly agree to get on the phone with you. And so they get on the next sales call, but they're super like hesitant. There's lots of resistance, right? They really don't know who you are. And so they're like super, super pulled back, and you're trying to like convince them to buy something from you, right? And so what the call ends up in being is just like it's too expensive. I need to think about it, blah, blah, blah. And then of course it never goes anywhere. Scenario number 1. Scenario number 2 is you are consistently putting out, for example, really, really, really good content and attraction-based material on your social profiles, YouTube channel, etc. And this mortgage broker reaches out to you, right, and says, hey, I'd like to chat. You get on the phone, they've already seen some of your content, they've resonated with you, they vibe with you, they know a bit of your story, they connect with you before they get on the phone with you. They've already connected with you. That scenario is going to end in a very, very different not solution, but it's going to end very differently than scenario number 1. It's very likely going to end up in them becoming a client. The reason why, guys, is because in scenario 1, what we did is a lot of push. Hey, push. Do you want this? You should get on the phone with me. And again, guys, I'm not bashing I kind of am bashing cold calling. It's how I got started in my agency. But there's just better ways, guys. There's just better ways to get better clients, right? So scenario number 1 is push. Scenario number 2 is pull in. Like I'm pulling you in right now through this video content. It's the same thing, guys. It's the same idea, same concept. And it's what, guys, I've used this in my coaching business, in my agency. It works amazingly well. Put out good stuff to the market. Focus more on creating a pull effect. Create an energy and a momentum bubble around you and your business and what it is that you're doing that attracts people in, that brings people in. Create an energy and a bubble that people want to be drawn into, want to be pulled into, want to be a part of. And you're going to get better clients. You're going to get clients reaching out to you. That's the key, guys. That's what we're going for here, is clients reaching out to you, requesting help, saying, hey, I want to talk. Not you pushing, almost like forcing people to get on the phone with you, and it doesn't feel very good for either of you, quite frankly. It's so much better, guys, when someone reaches out to you, you're in the power position, you don't have to sell yourself because they're already sold on you. And at that point, it's honestly, guys, like our sales calls are just chill, laid-back conversations. You wouldn't think they're sales calls, genuinely. You'd be like, huh? Are they like just chatting? What is there even something for sale here? And that's when you know your system and your process is dialed in. So, guys, again, just a quick recap. 3 ways to instantly start booking more appointments for your agency. Let's recap them. So again, guys, number one is focus more on quality versus quantity. Don't just try to get as many calls on your calendar as possible just for the sake of getting as many calls on your calendar as possible. Focus more on pinpointing and targeting, almost like laser targeting the right people. Your life as an agency will be way easier, way less chaotic, way less stressful. You'll have better clients, and they'll probably stay for longer, and they'll probably pay more. Like, everything's just better when you focus more on the quality of your clients versus just as many clients as possible. Secondly, number two, don't try to do anything or be anyone that you feel like you should be. Don't try to put on a front or be professional like most people tell you should in your messaging, in your content, in your outreach, etc. Just be you, guys. And the way you just be you is you don't need to do anything. You just need to stop trying to be someone else. That's it. Okay, you'll attract better clients, again, as you can see the common theme here, and you'll attract clients who are like you, which is just makes your journey as an agency owner even more fun and more enjoyable. Number three, create the pull effect in your agency, guys. Make sure you're putting out quality, attraction-based material and content for your business, consistently, and you're creating an energy and a momentum bubble around you that pulls clients in and makes them actually want to sign on with you, and more importantly, makes them want to reach out to you, and then more importantly, sign on with you as a client. So, guys, if you found this video helpful, do not hesitate and forget to leave a like on this video. Click the subscribe button, and most importantly, turn on post notifications so that you don't miss out on all the new content trainings just like this one. By the way, guys, it is Monday, June 21st at the time of recording and putting this video out. I am actually doing a live workshop. It's going to be probably a 2 to 3, maybe 4-hour training this Thursday, June 24th. It's probably going to be around 3 or 4 hours, guys, where I'm going to be sharing my entire system that we're literally implementing right now inside our agency to get more appointments and more clients coming in using paid ads. So we're no longer doing cold outreach. We've really cracked this. Guys, I've spent literally over $1 million of my own money on ads over the last 2 years, like straight out of my bank account, not across client accounts. Like, literally, I've given Facebook $1 million of my own money, which even to me still sounds insane to say. But yeah, guys, I'm hosting a live workshop. It's $47. You will get the recording, money back guarantee, the whole thing. So click the link in the description or the comments. Go grab a ticket. By the way, guys, if you're an agency owner who is doing 5, 7, 8, 10K a month, and you're really tired of spinning your wheels with low profit margins, bad clients, just overall a higher level of stress and low profit, and not feeling like you're actually running an agency and more like your agency is running you and running your life, and you'd like to get out of that hamster wheel and work with us here at Agency Hypergrowth as a private client, as a partner, then go ahead and click the link in the description as well. I put together about a 20-minute training video that literally breaks down the entire system that our agency partners are using to scale to 7 figures in annual recurring revenue in under 12 months. And so, yeah, guys, go check it out. And with that said, I'll see you in the next video. Peace and love, y'all. See you soon.
People in the city see the movement occurring and say, my God, I wanna be in that scene. Damn right you wanna be in this scene. She had the video trying to be in this scene. Used to fantasize about being this scene. Bluegrass girl, but she got big dreams. Can't touch me, I got instincts. Locked in the house, but I'm plotting things. I brought a gang to the party with me. 5 white